If you think of yourself as a savvy shopper, then today's topic is just for you, because we're talking about how to use Amazon Christmas sales to find the perfect gifts and cut down on shopping stress. Plus, we'll explore how to score those epic deals and save even more money. So let's get started. Before you start your holiday shopping frenzy, it's important to have a plan. Creating a shopping list on your Amazon account is the way to go, and here's how to do it. First, log into your Amazon account and hover over Accounts and Lists. If you haven't created a dedicated Christmas shopping list yet, click on Create a List. Now give your new list a name and then click Create List. Now as you browse Amazon, you can easily add gift ideas to your list using the Add to List drop-down on product details pages. Now that you're all set with your list, let's look into finding those Amazon Christmas sales. Here are some key sections to explore. Start with Holiday Gift Guides from the top banner. The exact location of the gift guides will vary year from year. You'll find various categories to help you hunt for the perfect gift, including categories like electronics, toys, and fashion. If you're having trouble finding this, just search for gift guides in the search bar. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you're in luck. Head over to the Epic Deals section for exclusive deals for members. You can find them at www.amazon.com/events/epicdeals, or you can just search for Epic Deals in the search bar. Even if you're not a Prime member, there are often great deals here for you as well. For even steeper discounts, explore Amazon's Lightning Deals. These are short-term deals that can be as much as 80% off retail. Keep an eye on the countdown as these deals don't last long. And don't forget about coupons. Just search for Amazon coupons on the site and you'll be taken to the right page. Now, if you're on the lookout for big savings on expensive products, consider Amazon Renewed Outlet and Warehouse Deals. Renewed products are certified and repaired electronics, offering significant discounts, and usually they still come with some sort of warranty. The outlet section features overstocked items with steep discounts. Warehouse deals offer pre-owned, used, or open box items at reduced prices. You'll find a range of conditions from like new to acceptable. With Amazon Christmas sales, you can find the perfect gifts, save money, and reduce holiday shopping stress. Share your Amazon shopping experience in the comments below, give us your own tips, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more holiday shopping tips. See you next time.